Hello guys, in today's ROSCORE video, we're going to learn how to install Linux on a virtual machine and how to install ROS on the Linux virtual machine. So, I'm a Mac user, but we're going to run the entire course on a virtual machine. So it won't be an issue if you're a Mac user or a Windows user, but it'll be better if you're a native Linux user, because you'll be having the basic essentials of the Linux core. But we'll even be teaching the Linux core in the coming subjects. For now, open the virtual machine software that you're using. I'm using Virtual Labs, Parallel Labs, sorry, Parallels. So skip, and it you don't have much processor here. You just click Ubuntu and it makes the software for you. It makes the virtual machine directly for you without having any other process. So you can even use Parallels or any other virtual machine software that is available for you. And it's ready. So before you actually run Ubuntu, there are a couple of issues like that has to be resolved, such as like security preferences, like your keyboard and mouse inputs, and a couple of uses such as microphone and your camera. So first you're going to solve all those, and then when you first log in to your virtual machine software, it asks to make a new password for that user. So press Parallels and enter your new password. And then retype the same password. This is one of the things like a security issue. So I'm giving the accessibility feature where you can access a couple of files from the host machine inside the virtual machine. And now your machine is ready. So you see the Firefox page over here? The link to that page is given in the description. It is one of the GitHub pages on the ROS Foundation. For now, open terminal and run the commands over there. These commands are to install ROS on the Linux machine and follow the steps as they are. There's not much to see over here. First one, you should set up your source list. So basically, it shows where all the sources are in the source of the ROS thing. It defines them. Enter your password and then copy paste the second thing. This is an API key. So this is a password, like it's kind of a password for your ROS software. The next is installation, sudo apt update. So it updates all the available softwares in your thing, in the OS. And now sudo apt install ROS melodic desktop full. So this is one variant of the melodic software. This installs, it's a desktop full version. So it installs all the required stuff including rivets, 2D, 3D simulators, 2D, 3D enhance and everything. So this is like a full-fledged package. I would recommend using this so that later on in doing projects you don't have to fiddle with other stuff. Since the first installation is done, now let's source the downloaded files to a certain bash file. So the next time you open a project, you don't have to rewrite the entire code. So I would source it and then source bash src. Now installing all the dependencies to build the packages for the ROS core. Now since everything is downloaded, let's try ROSCORE, ROSCORE. So this command is run to start the ROS environment on your system. So if it runs without any issue, then your installation is successful. Now open a new tab and run the following commands to open a new directory or a workspace for the ROS environment. So make directory p catkin underscore ws. Here, catkin is the main command and ws is your workspace. WS is workspace. So get into the catkin workspace src and write catkin underscore make. So catkin underscore make compiles your entire folder and makes the entire thing executable. And then source develop under slash setup dot bash. So basically this puts data into the bash file saying that this is the main location of the workspace, and from next time we don't have to get the workspace to that certain folder, and then your entire ROS is installed on a Linux machine. Thank you.